Hello, Steve K2GOG here, and today we are going to be demonstrating the Three Mosquitoes modular antenna mount system. It's a small three-man operation based in New Jersey, and I met them at the Split Rock Amateur Radio Club Hamfest this morning. And because anyone who follows my channel knows I like things in orange, and this is what caught my eye. So let me explain what the antenna mount system consists of. It comes with a pair of ratchet mount straps. Let's see how that works. You pull it back over itself when it'll tension, so it comes with two of those. It comes with, in this case, this is the spike mount. They also make a drive-over car tire mount as well as a trailer hitch, but this is just the spike mount. And what is unique about this is, since it's modular, they basically just took a flange, 3/4 inch, and all the connecting pieces attached to it. So basically you can get this piece, which is called the backstop. That's what you mount your antenna to, so you can get a backstop and the three different types of mounts, or just the mounts that you want. In my case, I just wanted the spike one, and so that's basically what the kit is. So I'll show you how this works. I've already jammed a hole into the ground with a hammer, but otherwise you just hammer this right in. They say that you want to make sure that you take the flange mount and make sure the base plate is exactly flush with the ground. That's going to give it a nice sturdy base to work with. So we have that in the ground, and then all you do is take the backstop and thread it right in here. Actually, you know what, before I do that, who is the Three Mosquitoes team? Let's find out. So I met two of them, bunch of nice guys. So here's the Three Mosquitoes team, and they have their call signs on here. So there's Matt, K2 ATC, there's Lou, K2 TAC, and who they said is the brains of the operation, although I feel like all three of them are pretty handy guys. Then there's also K2 ECE. So the three of them put this together, and they also have a number of other products on their website, such as end-fed wire antennas and a few other cool things that they're in product development on. So this is how it works. You just screw that in. You can see this is really sturdy here. And so next, and again, this is not part of the kit, but this is a 33-foot fiberglass telescoping pole made by Jack Height, with a few customizations, in case you're wondering. So these I did myself. This is some bungee cord, again in orange. I shrink wrapped it and attached it to the top, because I don't want to lose these black caps. So this is the top, and then I did something similar for the bottom, because again, I don't want to lose the caps if I need to unscrew them. So that's what that is. And so we'll take the mast. What we're going to want to do is pull out the top section, and then we can just extend this out bit by bit. That's what I find is the best way to deploy a mast. So you want to attach your antenna and then slowly hoist this up. So before we do that, we'll just get this set up here, and let's go ahead and take some of the ratchet straps. I'm just going to pass them right over the top. Sorry about that, I'm doing this all with one hand, in case you didn't notice. So we'll just thread the ratchet straps down past the backstop, like so, and we'll just give those a quick tension. And so even with one strap, I feel like this would hold, but two is always better. So we'll just give that the tension. Now, if you line these up, I've noticed there's a little notch on the tensioner. I just kind of line that up with the back angle here to hold it nice and snug. So there's the first one, and then we got the second one. And again, I'm filming this with my smartphone because I didn't want to have to go back in and get my real camera. So this is all with one hand. That's how easy this is. So almost done. All right. So this is plenty sturdy. I'm wiggling in here. It's not going anywhere. So that's ready to go. And now all we have to do is just extend up the sections of the mast like this. Sorry if you're getting a little nauseous there, but again, one-handed operation here. Spared no expenses in the making of this video. So about halfway up. And what I'm doing, for those that are not familiar with a fiberglass pole, is as you extend out the sections, you have to give it a little twist so it holds by friction. So basically I'm just doing this one by one and section by section, snaking this up. So we got one more to go. Go. There we go. All right, so all of that jostling around, let's see what we have here. So the bottom of this pole is about 4 foot. The three Mosquitoes backstop, I think, is about 20 inches. That spike is a little over 1 foot. And so you can see I'm not using any guys. It's a tall one, so to support something like an end-fed wire antenna, dipole, full wave loop, you know, whatever you want to use for portable operations, this is a pretty handy system. I'm probably going to pick up their drive over mounts, but for now I figured let me experiment with the spike. And so there you have it, for about $50 between the two pieces. The backstop I think is $30, the spike is $20, and then they include the straps. So for about $50, you have a pretty good sturdy mount for a variety of masts. So there you have it. Easy, handheld, 33-foot tall mast. You don't need a truck, a trailer, multiple people. You can basically deploy this literally with one hand. So there you have it. If you have any questions, drop some comments in the chat below. And again, this is Steve, K2GOG. Thanks for watching.